All right, guys, it's Greg at Vanguard Motor Sales. I got a cool one for you today. 1972 Challenger, 340 under the hood, and look at that beautiful purple paint. Looking sweet. All the chrome up here in the front looking good. The grille, just everything about the car is just absolutely gorgeous. That chrome is definitely brand new. See the bezels on the headlights, all the chrome around there looking sweet, and that paint is just as soft as can be. Now this purple has actually got a really light metallic in it, so she is looking sweet. Really, really like the shape of the hood with the hood scoops also. As you can see, the body lines going down there between the fender and the hood looking good. Just gorgeous. And then the stance on the car. Man, and then the graphics going down the side really light up that purple. Look at all the reflections in the paint. Look at this baby. We got white seats, door panels, white headliner. We got seat belts in the back. We got the package tray looking good. We got those shoulder belts in there. You can see the dash is in beautiful shape. Just everything about the car. I mean, it looks like a new car, man. Just gorgeous. And then check out the stance as you look down the side. It's exactly what a muscle car should look like right there. Then it's got those quad tips is what they call them now. So we got dual tips coming out of each side. So cool. This tail panel's blacked out. Look at that trunk, man. Looks like a brand new car. Got the space saver spare, all except the wood. I guess they put a couple pieces of wood in there to keep it from rattling. Look at that. Look at the paintwork there. Make sure you always lift up the mat whenever you're looking at a car. Always check these lips down here too. Make sure those lips are nice and smooth, nice and clean. That's the first thing to go. We got the NASCAR style fuel fill on these also, super cool. Just a beautiful unit right here, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this Challenger. You know, we did our homework and checked it out. And then once they get here to the shop, we put them up on the lift and inspect them, take pictures, do a video of the bottom, so you know exactly what the car is going to be when we park this dream in your driveway. Give Tom a call anytime. He's always answering his phone. All right, we're in our 72 Challenger, and it is nasty outside today, so we don't want to take this baby for a drive today. Now, the mechanics have driven it. She drives amazing. As you can see, the dash looks like it's brand new. Very seldom on these Mopars do you see a dash that looks that nice. I mean, that is beautiful. It's got an aftermarket radio in it. Real nice chrome bezel around it, looking sweet. Now, we got this little flippy thing here. You got to hit that button. You can, once you go back to turn the key, get the key out. We've got the center console here. Looks like we got heated seats too. I see some heated seats buttons right here. The dash pad itself, in beautiful shape. And don't forget, we can deliver this baby anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and we can help with financing too. So stick with us. We're going to put it up in the air and take a look at the bottom side and under the hood here in a minute. All right, we're underneath this baby now, and I tell you what, she's sharp under here too. I love these tips. The valance is looking sweet. It looks like the gas tank's been all painted up. We got our heat shields. That's where the mufflers used to be. And you can see that the bottom's got a real nice undercoating on it. It almost looks like a bed liner material. We got an 8 3/4 rear end here. And check out the disc brakes too. Looking sweet. Looks like those shocks are fairly new too. It is a 355 Sure Grip in there. You can see all the exhaust is all welded up, looking good. We got a grease zerk in the caps here. That's kind of cool. Grease up that U-joint. The floorboards are just beautifully coated, looking sweet. Now this is one of those hard coatings. It's not one of those soft ones. Always check out the cross member here. You always got to check out the frame members also. You can see how they brought the paint right into the engine bay here. They did a real nice job of taping off the undercoating. We've got jet coated headers, 727 trans. That's a 3-speed automatic for those of you who don't know. We got disc brakes up front also. You can see all the parts that would normally be bare metal. They've painted silver to look like bare metal. Real nice job there. Sway bar bushings are new. Paint right down to the bottom edge of the valance is looking good. Looks like we got some good looking BFGs with some period correct wheels on it also. Looking for the size now. 225/70 15s up front. And on any car, you want to make sure you look at that rocker panel. Of course, that takes all the abuse, and you can see this one's looking sweet. Look where that 2 pieces of metal are all welded together. Make sure they're not swelled up. All those little bends you see are actually drain holes. That's what they did on all the Mopars, or I should say a lot of the Mopars. We got 275/60 15s out back, and again, the paint work, the trim rings all look good. The wheel well looks great. And let's get under the hood and check out the power. All right, under the hood we got 340 power, and it is clean under here. Check this baby out. You can see it's got an AC compressor. Looks like it's got the correct air cleaner there. It's got a 650 4-barrel on it. You see those wires looking good, those spark plug wires all loomed up looking good. Firewall's nicely painted, the inner wheelhouses are nicely painted. It's got an aftermarket aluminum radiator in it, keeping it cool. It's got an Optima battery in it. It looks like it's got some aftermarket steering gear on it too, and a Borgeson steering box that is power steering, power brakes also. See, everything under here is nice and clean, nice and neat. All the wiring looks good, the hoses all look good, and the paintwork looks phenomenal under the hood. And under the hood, the bottom side of the hood, the paintwork looks great. We got new fiberglass there. They got our little flapper here that seals in the wind. I mean, everything about this car is sweet, guys. She's a 72. It's got a 340 in it. It's got a 4-barrel. She's ready to go, guys. Give us a call, 248-974-9513. Let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.